How to make peace lily grow faster. Have you ever wished your peace lily would grow a little faster? Maybe your plant seems healthy, but it only produces a few new leaves each year. Or perhaps you've seen large, lush peace lilies online and wonder how they became so full and beautiful. You may be asking, can I make my peace lily grow faster? Is there a secret to encouraging new leaves? What does my plant need to grow its best? The good news is that you cannot force a peace lily to grow overnight. However, you can create the ideal conditions that allow it to grow as quickly and as healthily as possible. In this video, we'll share 10 simple tips to help your peace lily grow faster while staying strong and healthy. 1. Give your peace lily more bright indirect light. Light is the most important factor for healthy growth. Peace lily can survive in low light, but it grows much faster in bright indirect light. When the plant receives enough light, it has more energy to produce. New leaves, stronger stems, a fuller shape, more flowers. Place your peace lily near a bright window where it receives filtered sunlight. Avoid strong direct sunlight, which can burn the leaves. More usable light usually means faster growth. 2. Keep the roots healthy. Healthy roots are the foundation of a fast-growing plant. The roots absorb water, nutrients, and oxygen. If the roots are stressed, the leaves will also grow more slowly. To keep the roots healthy, use well-draining soil. Choose a pot with drainage holes. Avoid letting the soil stay soggy. Strong roots support stronger growth above the soil. Water consistently. Watering correctly helps your peace lily grow steadily. Do not let the soil become completely dry for long periods. At the same time, avoid keeping the soil constantly wet. A simple routine is, check the top inch of soil. When it feels slightly dry, water thoroughly until excess water drains from the bottom. Consistent watering reduces stress and supports healthy growth. 4. Feed during the growing season. Growing new leaves requires nutrients. During spring and summer, use a balanced houseplant fertilizer according to the label instructions. Regular feeding provides the nutrients needed for new foliage, strong roots, healthy flowers. Avoid using excessive fertilizer. Too much fertilizer can damage the roots and actually slow growth. Gentle feeding is more effective than heavy feeding. 5. Maintain warm temperatures. Peace lily grows best in warm indoor conditions. Cold temperatures can slow growth significantly. Try to keep your plant away from cold drafts, air conditioners, frequently opened exterior doors, cold windows during winter. A stable, warm environment helps the plant stay active throughout the growing season. 6. Increase humidity. As a tropical plant, peace lily appreciates moderate humidity. Dry air may not stop growth completely, but it can slow the plant and cause leaf problems. Low humidity may lead to brown leaf tips, curling leaves, slower development. You can improve humidity by using a humidifier, grouping plants together, keeping the plant away from heating and cooling vents. Healthy humidity supports healthier growth. 7. Repot when necessary. A peace lily that has become root-bound may grow more slowly. Signs it may need repotting include roots growing through drainage holes, soil drying out very quickly, slower growth than before. Choose a pot only one size larger than the current one. A pot that is too large may hold excess water and increase the risk of root problems. Giving the roots a little more room can encourage stronger growth. 8. Keep the leaves clean. Dusty leaves cannot absorb light as efficiently. Large peace lily leaves naturally collect dust indoors. Every few weeks, gently wipe the leaves with a soft, damp cloth. Clean leaves look healthier, capture light more effectively, make it easier to spot pests or diseases. This simple habit supports better overall plant health. 9. Avoid stressing the plant. Peace lily grows best when conditions remain stable. Growth may slow if the plant is constantly stressed by overwatering, underwatering, sudden temperature changes, frequent moving, pest infestations. Instead of making many changes at once, provide a consistent environment. A relaxed plant grows better than a stressed one. 10. Be patient and focus on healthy growth. Many people search for ways to make their peace lily grow faster, but the healthiest plants are not always the fastest growing ones. Healthy growth is gradual. Every new leaf strengthens the plant and prepares it for future growth and flowering. Instead of trying to force rapid growth, focus on giving your peace lily everything it needs. With time, your plant will naturally become fuller, stronger, and more beautiful. Conclusion: if you want your peace lily to grow faster, remember that success comes from consistent care rather than quick fixes. The most important steps are: provide bright indirect light, keep the roots healthy, water consistently, feed during the growing season, maintain warm temperatures, increase humidity, repot when necessary, keep the leaves clean, avoid unnecessary stress. There is no magic shortcut to rapid growth, but by creating the right environment, you give your peace lily the best chance to grow faster, produce larger leaves, and eventually reward you with beautiful white blooms. Thank you for watching Plants Every Day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple indoor plant care tips. Be sure to explore our Peace Lily Growth and Bloom playlist for more easy guides on helping your peace lily grow healthy and bloom beautifully. See you in the next video. Happy growing!